Hello guys, I think everyone is okay. This is my first time I'm speaking because I have noticed that it's very difficult to read when I write down something on my chart. So it's distracting people to communicate uh, with price. It's difficult to read the comment and the price altogether. So I have decided to talk. But this is the first time, so please forgive my mumbles and everything. Just look at the price. I'd like to share my you know my market position. How can it trade today? So here is the daily DXY weekly chart. The price, the price, it has just come from the top to the monthly fair value gap. This is the monthly fair value gap high and monthly fair value gap low, and it's DXY. Every analysis should start with the DXY, as ICT told. So what we can see that when it has come to the monthly fair value gap, uh, then it has started to go up. So initially I'm thinking that DXY should go to this monthly fair value gap high, and then it will come lower. That means I'm expecting something like this. Okay, so that's all about the weekly chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Here is the daily chart. Okay, look the price. It has go up, support this volume imbalance, then go down. Daily fair value gap, support, then go again up. Break the volume imbalance, make it support, go up. Go to this daily fair value gap, then come to this daily fair value gap, and it's the inversion fair value gap. It just it was considered consolidate over here, and last week I mean the last day, it has just broke the daily fair value gap. So this buy side liquidity is my first target. If it go through this, then this is my second target, and the monthly fair value gap, this is my third target. But it's a long term planning, but right now I'm very much curious about this buy side liquidity. So I think it will come to the top of this daily fair value gap, then go and take the buy side liquidity, at least this one. Okay, let's go to the hourly chart. Let's see. Okay, in hourly chart, market go through this fair value gap over here, then come back to the rejection block, as I explained to my weekly analysis. And also the daily fair value gap, it has supported again the price, then go market structure shift over here. It has shifted the market structure, the fair value gap traded. This is the classical YT model, ICT YT model. Sell side liquidity grabbed, market structure shift, fair value gap, price tap in the consequent encroachment of the hourly fair value gap, then go higher. Then it has just come back again to this hourly order block. You see the hourly order block, and then market goes again. It's huge expansion. It was yesterday's expansion. Right now, market is over here. I'm expecting to, you know, this order block should respect, and the price will go over there. But what else it can do? You see, this high daily fair value gap high or this order block, it can retrade. It's possible it can retrade, but I don't want to see that, because this expansion is huge, and there is a fair value gap over here. This fair value gap, market has already responded that fair value gap on time. So I'm thinking that this order block should respect it. Let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, in 15-minute, this is the hourly order block. Market go. This is the last fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap. Market come back to the 15-minute fair value gap, go higher, come back, and now over here. It's possible. I'm concerned about that it will come to this high to the daily fair value gap. It is possible, although I don't want to see that. I want to see that this order block should respect it. Then go this buy side liquidity, this buy side liquidity, and this buy side liquidity. This is today's plan actually. So today I would like to see the expansion higher. DXY will go higher. That means ES will go lower. Let's go to the ES in S&P. Okay. Okay. This is the weekly chart of S&P. There's the buy side liquidity and there's the sell side liquidity. Both of them are very clean and market is near this buy side liquidity. This is the weekly chart and you see the huge expansion, a huge expansion to the upside, and then market come lower. I'm thinking that market will come to this monthly fair value gap, this monthly fair value gap high, this is the low. So it will at least come to the fair value gap, then go to the buy side liquidity. Before that, I'm thinking that actually if this it has expanded higher and break this high, then it will go to the buy side liquidity until this high is, it's not broken. Then initially I'm thinking that market will go to this monthly fair value gap. At least it will touch the high, then go towards the buy side liquidity. Sell side liquidity, it's a long plan. It depends more information, but right now I'm not thinking about this. Right now I'm concerned about this buy side liquidity. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay. You see this high is taken, so all the sell side liquidity has grabbed from there. There is this week it has taken all the liquidity, then market structure shift lower in daily chart. This is the shift in market structure. Fair value gap, tapped, then market come lower. Okay. This is the daily fair value gap and the lowest daily fair value gap. Market come through this daily fair value gap, tap to the lower daily fair value gap, and then expand higher. This was my yesterday's plan actually. I was bullish. When I will go to the hourly fair value gap, you will know why I was bullish yesterday, but today my expectation is it will go lower. So that's all about. Okay, this is daily week C. This week, the premium week, this is the C of the premium week. Remember this level. Let's go to the hourly. Before that, I'll go to the 4 hour and go over there. Okay. You see the total level. It's written weekly I fair value gap and 4 hour plus 4 hour order block. I marked it all together. This is the same level. if you go to the weekly chart, okay, let's go to the weekly chart one more time. I'm talking about this fair value gap. This fair value gap CE. I explained it right. So this is the weekly I fair value gap, and the CE was that level. Okay. So this is the I fair value gap CE, and the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart. This is the order block. This is the level. This level. You see this level. This level is the daily week. Let me show you again. This week. You see. This is the week. Here so that it will be easier to see. From 4-hour chart, actually I don't spend more time in 4-hour because I'm not a fan of 4-hour chart, but I opened this chart because only show to this level. This is the 4-hour order block. Now let's go to the 1-hour. Okay, this all previous price action, I'm not interested to talk about that. This was yesterday's price action. I was bullish. Market has come to the daily fair value, the lowest daily fair value gap CE, consequent encroachment. Then market go up, market structure shift, come daily fair value gap high made as support, go up, this fair value gap stepped, go up. You can see the execution from my last video I have uploaded to YouTube. Okay, so today's plan, how I have defined today's plan. This is the daily fair value gap, opening gap, and this is the only hourly fair value gap, which is reside over here. If market want to go lower, this inefficient place should be support the price and send it lower. Yeah, it can go up to this hourly fair value gap over here. You see this fair value gap, it can go to that, the consequent encroachment, daily week consequent encroachment, this is that level. So yeah, I think it will go and tap to the consequent encroachment. In the meantime, this is the hourly order block. All of this place I am just watching what is happening over here. I think it will go there, take this liquidity, this high liquidity, you see this high, it will take that, then expand lower. This sell side liquidity is my today's target. This is my target. In the meantime, it has to left this place with energy. You know, not the Mickey Mouse move, small move. No, not like that. It will go, take this liquidity, break lower, shift market structure. There will be another fair value gap, expand lower. This fair value gap, I would like to see how it works. I'm thinking that this should work as a I fair value gap. All of this will work when this opening gap, this is the last week opening gap, high, low, and middle encroachment. If the market go through this, then this is my target. In the meantime, there is an efficient place. This week, weekly open gap, new week opening gap. This is the new week opening gap. All of this place, I will actually observe how does price work. But today's bias is bearish for me because from the higher time frame, I want to see to market go to lower at least until this. This is the monthly fair value gap high. Remember, let me show you. This is the monthly fair value gap. You know, this is the price. This is the monthly fair value gap. I would like to see it will come to this fair value gap, then go higher. So My higher time frame tells me that it should go lower. So this is my analysis for today. Today I'm bearish. Market doesn't need to go all over here. It will expand lower. I don't know how long, but initially I'm thinking that this hourly fair value gap, it should left. Price should left this with energy. And then this opening gap high or the opening gap low, that means this opening gap, it should not act as a support. It should also break. When market will come through this, then I will plan for the execution lower. Okay, until now this is enough for hourly chart. Let's go to the 15-minute. If you see this lows, this is very clean, relative equal lows. There is an inefficiency in 15-minute. Okay, let me mark this. This and this. So in 15-minute, this fair value gap. Let me mark this one. This is the fair value gap where market can turn and go to the up, or that means what I mean by that. Right now, it can come to this fair value gap, then go higher, clear this liquidity, tap to the daily encroachment, consequent encroachment, daily week, or tap to this. You trade all of this hourly fair value gap. It can happen. So I'm thinking about this fair value gap. If it breaks and all the liquidity grabbed from here, I will thinking like that. Let me show you something like this. It will go, 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 something like that. It will come to this fair value gap. It will make it support, then go and expand higher. It will clear the liquidity, then expand lower, break this fair value gap and the opening gap. It will make this opening gap or this 15-minute fair value gap as resistance, then expand lower. This is all actually precision, and this is not for confirmation. I think market will go lower today because it has done his job to the upside. There is nothing left in upside except this must, yeah, this encroachment. This is the highest level. It can go at least there, the maximum over there, then no more bullish run. It will go to lower. Thank you guys. uh, I hope you will understand, because it's very difficult for me to talk. I'm just trying to explain everything what I understand. But if you really want to know something, please comment so that I can write it down and answer your question. Thanks for watching. See you guys.